Today, we're going to talk about the rectangular coordinate system. It's a graph with two number lines, the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's say you have a chart where you have days and you have money. And let's say that you gain $2 of passive income every day. So on day 1, you'd have $2. Day 2, you'd have $4. Day 3, you'd have $6. Day 4, you'd have $8. Day 5, you'd have $10, and etc. Now, you can actually plot this on the coordinate system right here by placing points on the x and the y-axis. The x-axis lies here, and the y-axis lies here. So the x-axis is horizontal, and the y-axis is vertical. So if we were to label the tick marks, this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we're going up in the y direction, so we increase the number, and we're going up in the x direction, so we increase the number. But when we go left or down, this would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Same with here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So that's how you read the coordinate system. So if we were to plot days and money, where the x-axis is equal to days and the y-axis is equal to money, we would have day 1 on the x-axis here is equal to $2. Day 2 is equal to $4. Day 3 is equal to $6, which would be up here, tick mark up here. The graph would look something like this. Now let's get into plotting the 3 example points on the screen here. So note that the first point is always the x-axis, and the second point is always the y. So first we have 4. So on the x-axis we'd count 1, 2, 3, 4. So our point's going to be on 4 on the x-axis, but then 3 on the y-axis. So then we got to go up by 3. Our points here, we go 1, 2, 3. And we see where the lines intersect. It intersects here. So our point is going to be here. This is 4, 3. On the x-axis, you can see that it's on the 4th tick mark, and the y-axis is the 3rd tick mark. Let's try the next one, -3, 2. The first coordinate, the x-coordinate, is negative this time. So instead of counting to 3, 1, 2, 3, we count negative. We go backwards, 1, 2, 3. So the -3 is going to be here, on this tick mark here. And we have 2. And so we count 2 in the y for the y-axis, 1, 2. And we see where they meet. It meets right here. So that's where our point's going to be. Our point is going to be here. This is -3, 2. Lastly, we have 5, -1. And this is the x-coordinate. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the point's going to be here. And -1. So the y-coordinate is -1. So we go down by 1. So we're going to go down by 1. And this is where the tick marks overlap. So the point's going to be right here. This is 5, -1. So we can call this point, if we call this point A, this one B, and this one C, this would be A, this would be B, this would be C.